I mean, just stop paying for these premium tools to remove your background, because there is a best and free alternative. Okay, just go to Google and search for remove.easy. Here is the website. Here is a plus to upload your image. Just go ahead and upload an image with a background which you want to remove, and instantly it will get removed. As you can see, this part is removed, but the underneath part is still there. Okay, that might be a problem. Just you can also manually erase it. Okay, just go to erase, and then you will have this red color option. Just drag it and over the place you want to remove. Okay, keep dragging it until you cover all the desired portion. Here I have got, and you can see the entire removed. Okay, some of the part which also I didn't hovered around also get removed, because this is a AI feature of it. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. Now we have completely removed the portion we wanted to. Now here you could choose to download SD or the normal download quality. Okay, you can choose it, and maybe you need to sign up for this. Just simply sign up and download your desired photo.